Okay guys, today very excited because we're checking out a property in Bangsar, Jalan Terrace. Now this is actually supposedly a single story terrace house, but the owner has already converted it into a double story terrace house located in the heart of Bangsar, not too far away from Bangsar village. So let's go check it out. Now, the first thing you notice over here is that they even included this ventilated cinder blocks. So this is very nice because it has a little bit of privacy, but not foregoing air ventilation from this passageway. Look at this wooden-like facade, beautifully designed. Kind of gives you a different kind of feeling, right? And when you come into the unit foyer area, this is actually a rather large space. And I like the fact that there's a lot of modularity in terms of the selection of the windows over here. Let's go check out the unit itself.
Hi,
Yo!
nice to see you again.
Seeing you again,
Yeah.
Charles. How are you, man?
Good, I'm good.
Wow.
Welcome to the property.
Nice place,
Yes.
dude. So how old is this property over here?
Okay, so the property was bought in the year 2021. And then the owner recently renovated, constructed. It's a single cum double story right now. And it just completed renovation in the month of March.
Oh, wow.
So just staged the property and everything is ready for viewings now.
I see. So this is basically everything new, furniture-wise.
Yes, furniture-wise is new. Lighting, the plumbing, the wirings, everything is brand new.
I see. So
Yes.
you mentioned just now it's staged, right?
It's
so
staged.
Staged means that...
It will come with the furnitures as well. The unit here will come with the furniture as well.
Because
yes.
when you say stage, I'm like,
Sometimes
whoa.
they will take it out, then they do not they don't do. But this one will come with the furnitures.
I see. Okay,
Yes.
now you mentioned
Okay.
that this was a single-story unit.
Yes.
And then it kind of converted into a double...
A double story.
Right. And this one all permits everything, Gautim.
Permits everything, CFCC, all done. Yes. And the reason why they're able to convert it is because in Bangsar, single story house can become double story. Double story house can become triple story. So that ones can be done here in Bangsar as well.
Oh.
And the good thing about this property is because it's newly rebuilt, new wiring, new plumbing, and the owner actually wanted to have this feature, this double volume feature, because terrace houses are usually darker.
Correct. For me, I think this got to be the main highlight over
This
here.
is definitely the main highlight of the house.
Right. This is like God is calling upon us.
Then flowing seamlessly, you have a powder room on my left. So all the bathroom fittings is also included. All new plumbing, new bathroom fittings and all that. And then the kitchen is also fully equipped.
Right. Oh wow. The kitchen cabinet, everything has all just been done up, right?
Yes,
I mean,
all been
looks
done
brand
up as
new,
well. Yes, all brand new because the owner does not want a new home buyer to come, manage contractor, manage interior designer because we know it's a headache
Correct,
to manage
correct,
contractor,
correct.
manage when are they coming, what time are they coming. So the owner wanted to do everything for them already.
I see. So this is like a turnkey, basically I bring my
Yes.
luggage, got him ready.
Correct, turnkey. And it comes with, you know, you can cook with fire over here, right?
Oh.
Exhaust and all. And then you can also have this ventilation here as well. All the exhaust and all runs across the wall.
Right. I like the fact that this sink over here is a bit...
This is one of those new sinks, right? You can turn it.
Turn here.
It's one of those new sinks that you can have dual functions and then you can turn it this side.
Oh!
So it's all multiple functions all across.
Oh, this is very
And then you can
nice.
choose to take this out and wash. Much nicer and much deeper now.
Ah, okay. Wow. I love
I
the
just thought
fact
that was interesting.
it's very nice. Look at this.
Yeah.
It's very convenient to use. Hey, by the way, if you guys want to sponsor us for this, let us know in the comments down below.
So this is the fourth bedroom. A lot of the older houses is a very small afterthought. They fit the maid. This one is much bigger. Ceiling is also in fact taller. And there's also a window here that opens across. So in my eyes, it's a very nice home office, right? Or a nice home gym, or you can even have your Pilates where you can have your private trainer to come in and teach you. And this whole area opens up. So fresh
Right.
air and natural sunlight again.
And honestly, this is very surprising because this is a terrace house, and this intermediate lot somewhere.
It's an intermediate lot, right?
And then you can feel that it's very spacious because of the natural sunlight coming
Natural
in.
sunlight. Yes, correct.
Oh, guys, beautiful.
And zero maintenance because as you can see, there's no garden here.
Oh, yeah,
Sometimes you
that's
have
so
garden, you need
true.
somewhere to cut the grass, to water the plants. This way you can just buy some potted plants and just leave it at the back.
Ah, yeah, that's a very good point because my house personally, cutting grass is such a pain
headache.
in the ass, man.
Yeah.
Every month I have to pay people
You
to
have to come and clean and maintain.
Yeah. Oh wow, this is the powder
This is the
room.
powder room for the guests when you have friends coming over and entertaining.
I
You
see.
can use this powder room.
Right, and because this is an intermediate lot, there's
Yes.
actually no air well. They put in
An exhaust fan.
exhaust fan.
Yeah.
Oh, this is very thoughtful. And this is very spacious, guys.
Actually, for here, right? Because some homeowners, they want to have their own private bar here as well, like an island, the kitchen here. You come here for breakfast or can work here, you have your breakfast here. The owner actually included a plug point here as well.
Wow.
Right, a plug point is already included here. So should you want to have another bar or a deep freezer or perhaps even a bigger fridge, you can have it on here.
Oh, wow.
So you don't need to hack another wiring securing it is another plug point.
This is very thoughtful.
Very thoughtful.
Is the owner a contractor or designer?
He's a contractor.
Oh, no wonder.
That's a contractor.
Now
So
it
yes.
makes a lot of sense.
So you
It's
think a lot of things that the normal people won't think about.
Right. Because I'm just thinking about how detailed this person is because he is so thoughtful, the way he designs the
Even
house.
if you notice, it's all plaster ceiling already.
I see.
So you can have as many lights, as many fans as you want. Or you can even change the placement of the lights because some houses is still concrete ceiling.
Correct.
Yeah, and plaster ceiling is a lot of hidden cost.
Correct.
It can cost
correct.
quite a bit as well.
It's a 6 ringgit per square feet the last time I checked.
Yeah, I think it's about 8 or 10 now at least.
Oh, dang.
Yes.
Okay, inflation. Huh?
The living room is a very standard living room. As you can see, right, the tiles has not been repurposed. It's not those normal terrazzo tiles. It's all with a matte finish. So
Right.
when you walk on it in daytime, it's very cool as well.
So maybe it's because this particular property also caters to a more affluent or maybe older.
Yes, an older
age.
generation.
Right.
Or even somebody who just got married, they're looking for a new place to call home. This part of Bangsar is very nice because 4 minutes away, you're reaching to Bangsar village. There's a public park just right across. You can go there for badminton, tennis, and even basketball as well.
wow,
And the
okay.
whole place is actually very quiet.
Right. Actually, right now also because we are at 1 p.m. on a Tuesday, there's really not much
It's very
cars.
quiet. The owner, he created these large window panels so you can always open to allow some fresh air to come in instead of the normal squarish windows. And do you know that even these panels, because it's wider, it costs more to produce.
Correct.
Logistic is a nightmare as well.
Correct.
So this one adds value. Right? And even sometimes if you don't want to go open the door, you just exit from here.
Oh,
Much
yeah,
easier.
huh?
You just exit from here. Yeah. Then there's a...
Never thought about that actually,
Yeah.
but this is
Much
actually very
easier.
nice. And this is like somewhat soundproof also, right?
Yes, this is also soundproof. Glazed windows. Do you even notice the house is very white in color for the entire house? And then it's all wooden flooring all
Right.
throughout for the bedroom. So it's a more cozy and then it's more suitable for anybody who's looking. Very
Right.
easy to please as well. So we're in one of the 3 bedrooms located on this floor. All the bedrooms come with their own ensuite, their own washroom and all. The water heaters are already provided. Right, the washroom, the fittings are all done. This is one of my favorite rooms because you can see the 118 tower, the world's second tallest building from here.
Wow, guys, literally from a landed house that honestly is not even very high up, right? You can
Yeah, just right across. So both bedrooms are very similar in terms of the size. The only thing that the owner didn't include is the wardrobes because some people they prefer a study with a wardrobe or a bigger wardrobe or an open face wardrobe. So that one comes down to you. But one thing that I like is he included 2 plug points on each corner.
Right.
Because
And-
even condominiums they give you one, this one has 2. So you can have your night light, right? Your phone charging. You can even charge your Apple Watch or whatnot when you sleep as well.
Right, and because this one Ngam fits a queen size bed
Yes,
also.
screen arranging comfortably.
Oh, well, this landlord is really a contractor.
Coming into the master bedroom.
Now this is a very nice master bedroom, very clean,
Yes.
very minimalistic.
As you can see, all across every wall is not wasted because every wall with these modular windows on both sides of the house. And then you can see there's no wardrobes as well because the owner wanted you to have your own imagination. You may want a walk-in wardrobe or you may want a L-shaped wardrobe. And then you may even want a very nice TV console over here. So all to the thought
Right.
of the new homeowners as well.
I gotta say, this is like a very spacious room for even a small little terrace
Yes,
house, right? What's the
correct.
entire build up of this?
And that build up is about 3,000 give or take. The build up
3,000.
and the land area altogether.
Right. And how much is
Okay, this property is only asking 2.9 million for a newly renovated home. If you buy an old terrace here in Bangsar today, it will cost you everything from 1.9 all the way up to 2.3. So the main difference is of course the renovation,
Right.
the paperwork with the magistrate and the interior design. A whole can of worms to be honest with you. So you're paying into a move-in ready home.
Right. So essentially the owner over here bought this property and then refurbished it.
Refurbish, renovated it, and then sell it out. Essentially, you don't need to buy an old home, do a project, and then move in. This one, you already buy it already. It's like going to school.
Right.
You just you just copy someone's work and then you have it. Something like that. Cheaper, right?
Oh, so that's how you actually did it in the
You
studio.
save a lot of something like that. This room also has its own open veranda. It's where all the aircon compressor is for easy servicing,
I
easy maintenance.
see.
And then you can have some outdoor furniture here to enjoy a cup of coffee or an evening sip of wine while looking across the neighbors. But the good thing is your neighbors won't be able to look in because with all these architectural fins, so it's more quiet.
Right. I love this touch. These finer things from the facade of the building itself, right? Just kind of gives it a different vibe or tone, right? But I must say, right, Charles, this property is looking beautiful.
Yes.
And you mentioned just now also, because this particular area itself, right, bank valuation wise is going for about
Bank valuation wise, currently in the market is between 2 to 2.3 million.
2 to
Because a lot of the houses that transact here in Bangsar, all the older houses built in the year 1970, 1980s.
Right.
And a lot of them are used for own use.
Right,
so there are
right.
not many transactions, so the benchmark is slightly lower. So definitely, if you buy a new house, you can do as much interior design, you have to pay for the additional thing. It's like buying a new car. If you're buying a new new car today, with all the new mods, the new rim, the new lights, the tints, you're gonna have to pay extra for those. It's the same thing at the property.
Right. So basically what Charles is trying to say is that if you buy the property over here, bank valuation is about 2.3 million, you gotta fork out about like 600, 700,000 in cash lah, on top of the down payment and whatnot. So basically this is a property you can actually even check out because I think it's going up for sale, and maybe Charles also want to put it on a house tour basis, not house tour, but like an open house setting. Then you can come and even potentially check the place out. And that's pretty much it for this particular property tour. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.